inner product, am I right? Some phi of x star into psi dx, into psi dx. This will represent probability, speak out, probability amplitude of getting state phi, is that okay? Of getting state phi when we do the measurement on psi. Is that okay? Yeah, we shall work out some problem on this one. And mod square is probability. Okay, this is probability amplitude. This may be complex. Is that okay? This may be complex. Now the idea is, so this is the state on which you are doing the measurement. Am I right? Can I say initial state? This is final state. It is expanding initial state, expanding initial state as a linear combination of phi n actually. That is the idea. And this is the way of getting this Cn. Is that okay? If I write this phi n, that would be convenient actually. Is that okay? But simply we write like this, initial and final, simply we write like this. This is the way of getting coefficient of expansion of this initial state in terms of these final states. We should not call that one as final state. Those are the eigenstate of measuring operator actually. Here we do the measurement of energy. That's why energy eigen functions, isn't it? That's what we say. So the psi of x comma 0, I used to write like this. Am I right? Cn into psi n, where psi n is an energy eigen function. Am I right? H cap into psi n is equal to En into psi n. Yeah, this is the another probability. This is another probabilistic interpretation. Maybe in next chapter I am going to merge these two. Okay, I told this psi of x comma t. So this is the position probability amplitude. Am I right? And mod psi of x comma t whole square, isn't it? That is the probability of getting position. Am I right? So we can merge this one. Okay, we can merge this probabilistic interpretation to that one in the next chapter. We need some more idea. Both are actually one and the same, but little bit elaboration is needed. Is that okay? Now remember this one in a different way. So this is the probability of getting that final state. So this is probability density of finding the position. Okay? Remember them in a different way. Later we shall merge these two. Okay? In the next chapter. Yeah. Have you done that problem? Outside Griffiths. .40. Particle of mass m is in the ground state of infinite square well, isn't it? It is in the ground state of infinite square well from 0 to a. Is that okay? Ground state. Your initial state is, speak out, root of 2 by a sin pi x by a. So suddenly right side wall is extended to 2a. This was a, it is extended to 2a, but wave function is momentarily unchanged. Is that okay? Sine wave function is momentarily unchanged. Now this is your initial state. Is that okay? On which you are doing the measurement. Now let me ask one question. What is the probability of getting, so he asked something different here. Usually in exam, in couple of exam, they ask like this. Yeah, this happened. Okay, suddenly the what do you call length of the or width of the box is doubled. Is that okay? So here it was A. Am I right? Here now it is 2A. Suddenly the width of the box is doubled and wave function is unchanged. Is that okay? And now you are doing the measurement. What is the probability of getting the particle in the ground state of the new box? In the ground state of the new box. Shall I write psi 1 dash, psi 1 prime? Is that okay? Psi 1 is the old wave function corresponds to old box. Is that okay? Psi 1 prime is the wave function corresponds to new box. What is psi 1 prime? Ground state of new box. What is that one? Root of 2 by 2a sine pi x by 2a. N equal to 1. N pi x by a, but a is replaced by 2a, new box. Is that okay? What is the probability of getting this state? Actually, you should not say like that. What is the probability of getting E1 prime actually? We do energy measurement. Our aim is not to find the wave function actually, but loosely speaking we can say like that. Is that okay? What is the probability of getting the particle in the ground state of new box? Can I say like this? Prime. What is the energy of ground state of new box? Speak out. Pi square h bar square by 2m 2a the whole square. This is the wave function corresponds to that one. Is that clear? Now what would you do? After the measurement, suppose if you got this energy, what is the state after that one? What is the wave function after that one? This is the wave function, am I right? That will collapse to this wave function. So this is the final one. So this is the initial one on which you are doing the measurement. Is that okay? Now you have to do like this, psi 1 star, this is, wait a second, final then initial, am I right? Psi 1 prime star psi 1, this psi 1, is that okay? Dx mod square. You are talking about probability, am I right? Now the question is, what is the limit you take? What is the range of this wave function? 0 to 2a. Range of this wave function is 0 to 2a. What is the range of this wave function? 0 to a. Now which limit you take? 0 to a. Even if you take 0 to 2a, this wave function is 0. This wave function is 0. Is that okay? I better to write this one as initial, this one as final. Again, I am running out of symbols here. Is that okay? I am running out of symbols here. Yeah, whatever. Is that okay? So this wave function, its limit is only 0 to a. This wave function limit is 0 to 2a, isn't it? New box. So that's why you have to take this limit 0 to a. Even if you take 0 to 2a, actually this should be minus infinity to plus infinity. Isn't it? Any inner product, whatever you talk about, it should be minus infinity to plus infinity. But look at here, this wave function is 0 outside 0 to a. One of the function here inside this integral is 0 outside 0 to a. That's why you have to take 0 to a. Is that okay? Can you do that one quickly? Yeah, do that one. That integral 0 to a psi 1 prime, what is that one? Root of 2 by 2a sine phi x by 2a, isn't it? Psi 1 prime, that is the final state, into initial root of 2 by a sine pi x by a dx. Get me the answer. probability of getting the particle in the ground state of the new box. Okay, that's what I am finding. Or write it in sentence. When we do the measurement on this one, okay. Yeah, you can't explore any trick, am I right? Sin A into sin B. Yeah, you have answer quickly. You have numerical one. I mean mod square or this one? Mod square. Total probability is 3, 3, 6. Whenever they ask this kind of probability question, you have to think after the measurement. Suppose if you got whatever they said, what is the probability of getting the particle in the ground state of the new box? Suppose after the measurement, if you found particle is in the ground state, what is the state after the measurement? Ground state itself, am I right? It will collapse to that state. Suppose if you found electron passing through slit 1, what is the state after that one? Psi 1, am I right? The state corresponds to slit 1, like that. Suppose if you found particle is in ground state after the measurement, again you are finding probability. You will not get this result always, is that okay? You are finding probability. Suppose if you got that one, what is the state after the measurement? Psi 1 prime, am I right? This is the state after the measurement. Now you are finding the probability of getting that state, 36%, isn't it? Now look at here. Again, concentrate on this one. This wave function range is 0 to a only. So that's why even if you put limit 0 to 2a, is that okay? You have this function and this function, am I right? Inside the integral, you have this function, initial function. I call this one as final function. After the measurement, wave function will collapse to this one. Is that okay? So initial wave function, its range is 0 to a. So that's why even if I take 0 to 2a, look at here, this is 0 outside this a to 2a, isn't it? In this region it is 0. That's why again you have to split the integral 0 to a to 2a. From a to 2a integral is 0. Is that okay? Actually this integral should be entire region, minus infinity to plus infinity. Whatever inner product you talk about, that range should be minus infinity to plus infinity. But here, since this wave function, it is non-zero only in this region, that limit is turns out to be this limit. Okay, just observe that. Now look at here. What is the probability of getting the particle in the first excited state of new box? What is first excited state? This one you can do without calculation, without doing integral, I hope so. Psi 2 prime. Yeah. Root of 2 by 2a, speak out. 2 pi x by 2a. 2 got cancelled. You are trying to find probability of getting the particle in this state. Am I right? Corresponding energy is E2 prime. Isn't it? What is this E2 prime? (2m) 2a the whole square. What was the initial energy? What was the initial energy? Observe one thing, look at here. This got cancelled, isn't it? Now whatever the probability you are finding, probability of getting energy, that energy is same as initial energy. It happened to be like that. Earlier that energy was different, am I right? What is E1 prime? Pi square h bar square by 2m 2a the whole square. These two were different, isn't it? This was initial energy, probability of finding final energy. That's what you found, 36%, isn't it? Now this is initial energy, probability of finding final energy, which is same as initial energy. Observe that one. Okay. Now look at here. This is your final state. This is your initial state now, isn't it? Take inner product, make mod square, make it as mod square, isn't it? Again 0 to a, because this range is 0 to a, psi 2 prime star initial state psi 1 dx, isn't it? Now look at here, you should not do any integral, as I told earlier. Write down what is psi 2 prime, sine pi x by a, 2 got cancelled, 2 got cancelled here inside sine, root of 2 by a, speak out, sine pi x by a, that is your initial state, isn't it? That's your initial state. This is your initial state, isn't it? Its range is 0 to a. Initial, look at here, your initial wave function is this one. Look at here, it is 0 here. Okay, are you getting my point? The state on which you are doing the measurement, it is 0 in this region, and it has sine pi x by a in 0 to a. Remember, on this state you are doing the measurement. That is your initial state. This is your final state. So it was 2 and 2 here. It got cancelled. Now what would you do? 1 by? How do you do? Take 1 by root 2 outside, 0 to a, root of 2 by a, sine pi x by a, root of 2 by a, sine pi x by a. What is this condition? Normalization condition. Is that okay? Should not do that integral. That's your normalization condition. Then 1 by root 2 mod square, that is 0.5, 50%. That's quite high. Is that okay? Now remember, even though new wave function is from 0 to 2a, the wave function on which you are doing the measurement, or if you are getting confusion, look at here, you better to write your initial wave function like this. Initial wave function is equal to root of 2 by a sine pi x by a when x is between 0 to a, 0 otherwise, but write like this if you are getting confusion. Are you getting my point? Then obviously, actually this integral should be infinite integral, but we don't have to think outside 0 to 2a, isn't it? Even if you think 0 to 2a, a to 2a, one of this part is 0. That's why this happened to be 0 to a.
Psi 2 days in terms of psi 1 days, because now both are defined for 0 to 2, we can take it.
You can interchange these two. Anyway, later you are making mod square, isn't it? It doesn't matter. Look at here. Later we shall prove in linear algebra phi psi, okay? That is equal to psi phi the whole star. These two are complex conjugate to each other. Whether you find this one or this one, anyway later you are taking mod square, it doesn't matter. For probability it doesn't matter where you place which one. Yeah, quickly. Now he is asking expectation value of energy. Now how do you do that? So do that one. He is asking what is the most probable result, what is the probability of getting that result. You can't guess. You can't guess that one, but in exam they ask that, like that. I mean, they ask what is the probability of getting that one in the ground state like that. Yeah. Yeah, in inner product, limit should be minus infinity plus infinity. Take it like that. Then think over it. What are the range of individual function that you are integrating inside that one? So that your initial wave function, it is found to be, its range is 0 to a, isn't it? That's why it happened to be 0 to a. Don't integrate 0 to 2a. Now look at here. What is the expectation value of energy? That's what he said. How do you find? Your initial state is sine pi x by a. Am I right? I better to write like this. 0 otherwise. Your initial state is this one. Now you are doing the measurement. What is the expectation value of energy? Now you got 36% of getting the ground state. Am I right? Ground state of the new box. 50% of getting first excited state of new box, isn't it? Now obviously you should get some average, isn't it? How do you find that average? Yeah. You can write this one like this, summation over Cn into psi n prime, isn't it? Where Cn will talk about probability of getting En prime, isn't it? Mod Cn square. But that's also not necessary here, isn't it? I told you, if your wave function, if it is expanded as a couple of term, then only go for this method of finding what you call average energy and all, isn't it? But here don't do like that, because you need to find Cn generally. Then you have to use that Cn. Then you have to find average energy like this. Am I right? Mod Cn square into En, isn't it? That's quite lengthy. Why can't you do like this? Isn't it?
But why we take the initial difference and not the final sign?
No. I mean, this is on this state you are doing the measurement, isn't it? To find again, you are finding the expectation value on this state only, isn't it? Or how do you define expectation value? Prepare identically prepared system with this state and do the measurement. Am I right? You have to take this state, because on this state you are doing the measurement now, isn't it? Do this one. Yeah, do this one. Yeah, you have solution manual. Can you check it out? Root of 2 by a sine pi x by a. Am I right? Actually, this range should be 0 to 2a, because you are Hamiltonian, that there should be new Hamiltonian. Am I right? That ranges from 0 to 2a, but your wave function itself is 0 outside. Okay? So minus h bar square by 2m d square by dx square. I think you should get this one. Check it out. Yeah, both are initial state. This is the expectation value definition. any expectation value. How we found expectation value in any state psi? Psi star q cap psi dx. Way of taking expectation value. Can you check that out in solution manual?
Directly H psi is equal to V psi.
Yeah, you can check it out. Am I right? H psi, it was psi 1, am I right? Of old box. That's why you should get E into psi. Even if you do that one, you will get the same answer. Look at here. A new box, E1 prime was pi square h bar square by 2m 2a the whole square, am I right? E2 prime was pi square h bar square by 2m a square. Actually 2a square, 2 got cancelled, am I right? This have got probability 36%, 33%. How much? 33%. 33%. This is 50%. Next one, E3. 9 pi square h bar square by 2m 2a the whole square, am I right? That will be, some other percentage. Total should be 100%. Are you getting my point? When you average it out, look at here. You should get somehow this value. This is correct one, isn't it? This is correct one. What I am saying is, you are doing the measurement, you have these are the possible outcomes. This is 50%. This is still less than that one, but this is also possibility. Are you getting my point? Now, you have a value which is less than this one. You have values which is greater than this one. Look at here. This is less than this one. Denominator 2 square is there. This is greater than this one, isn't it? 9 by 4, greater than this one, isn't it? You have possible result greater than this one, less than this one. Obviously, average out, it will be that one. That's what this says. Is it clear? That doesn't mean you will get only this one, remember. Do this problem 100%. Lot of theory is involved here, okay? Now let me ask one simple question. Particle is in ground state of symmetric well. Is that okay? Your initial state is root of 2 by a. What is the ground state? Cos function, am I right? Is that okay? Suddenly I am going to double the width of the well as before. Minus a to plus a. So that wave function is momentarily unchanged again as earlier. Is that okay? Now my question is, what is the probability of getting the particle in the first excited state of new box? Do that one. You have initial state, you have to get this final state, that's it. Do that one. This problem is different from earlier one, okay? Earlier one of the wall is shifted. Here both walls are shifted, remember. Actually this should be written like this, okay? Probability of getting E2 prime. First excited state of prime means new box, okay? Prime means new box. This is ground state of old box. That's your initial state. You should get this wave function, that's it, am I right? psi 2 prime. What is this one? Root of 2 by 2a. Now width is 2a, isn't it? What is the state? First excited state? Sine or cos? Symmetric well. Symmetric well. What is the first excited state? Symmetric well. Asymmetric well, all are sine function, am I right? Symmetric well, they are alternatively sine and cos. I hope I derived that one. Sine 2 pi x by 2a, isn't it? Psi 2 prime. Be careful. You are writing GATE exam, isn't it? It will be trapped like this. Now your limit is limit of this one, am I right? The function on which you are doing the measurement that extends minus a by 2 to plus a by 2. Outside it is 0. What is the final state? Sine pi x by a. 2 got cancelled. What is the initial state? Cos pi x by a dx. What is this integral? What is this integral? 0. Isn't it? Why this happened? You have your initial state, am I right? You have to expand that one as final state. All right, that should be Fourier expansion. Now your final state contains sine and cos. Look at the initial state. Initial state is even function, isn't it? In the Fourier expansion of your initial state, which is even function, you should never get sine, or you should never get any coefficient which contains sine. Are you getting my point? You should contain only cos. That's why there will be probability of getting ground state, because ground state is cos. Initial state is cos. Final state, probability of getting cos is possible. Probability of getting sine is not possible. Again, probability of getting second excited state is possible. Again, that is cosine, am I right? Ground state is cos. First excited state is sine. Then next state is cos, isn't it? That probability exists again. It's purely Fourier expansion, remember. Whatever you are finding, that is Cn, whatever, again, this should be made mod square to get probability. But whatever you are finding, this is Cn, coefficient in the expansion. Is that okay? There is no probability of finding the particle in the first excited state of new box. Now find the probability of getting the particle in the ground state of the new box in this problem. That exists, am I right? Cos into cos will come, and you need to do that integral and do that one. Is that okay? Probability of getting E1 prime or probability of getting psi 1 prime. Okay, do this one later. That exists because this also cosine function, isn't it? This also cosine function. Or just find what is the initial state, okay? What is the final state? Final state star initial state dx, that's it. This is the probability amplitude of getting final state. Is it clear? Just remember like this. Yeah, have a note on problem number 2.9 also, okay? You can use initial state to find expectation value of h, okay? That's also quite important result. Look at here, psi of x comma 0, that will be Cn into psi n, am I right? Usually, initial state, you are going to expand like this. Now, how do you write expectation h here? Summation over mod Cn square into En, am I right? Let me say this is at time t equal to 0. What would happen for a later time? Cn into e power minus I En t by h bar into psi n. Again, if you want to find expectation h for a later time, so Cn should be replaced by Cn into this one. But mod square is same as earlier because e power I theta, it will not introduce anything. So that's why that will be same as this one, mod Cn square into En. That's why you can use this one. I mean, suppose if you are not following this method of finding expectation value, you can use this one directly, initial state, to find expectation h. So that is the theorem, okay? That's also a very important result. That will give some more confidence to use this one. He may be asking what is the expectation value of energy later. Don't worry, you can use initial one. Both of them should give the same answer.